What's up guys, I'm back and today we have the Mustang here. I'm finally gonna do an oil change on it. It's been running pretty good since I bought it in like April. I think end of April I bought it. I just haven't driven it much. I put like 2,000 miles on it, but I'm finally gonna change the oil on it. No other problems have shown up. I did put a BBK off-road H-pipe on it, and it sounds really good actually. Well, I'll just give you a quick startup of it, see what it sounds like. Definitely need to get new seats. Sounds really good. Yeah, but we're gonna do that to this thing. I have Jenna over here. She's cleaning out the Traverse again, finishing that up. How's it going over here, Jenna? Ew, look at that. Yeah. Ew. The bubbles are like brown. That's gross. Jenna's gonna get paid well for doing this.
Yep, betcha.
I got brand new hubcaps. They were freaking 38 bucks a piece from the GM dealer. I mean, I work at a shop, so I get a good discount on parts there, but I mean, still $38. It's kind of expensive to me. And I also got a new window switch here because two of them are kind of crappy. So I'm gonna replace that in the wheel covers. We'll clean it up, sell her, on to the next one. Brother here just bought this car, a 2004 V6 S4.
Yeah, I can see new head gaskets on this.
Can you?
Yeah.
Nice.
I've had that shit on, I think.
With the timing chain destroyer. Apparently it has had all of the chains done and heads taken off and everything. And Cody is under here looking at and pondering what kind of mistake he's made. Right, Cody?
Oh, I don't think I made a mistake.
Yeah, but this is pretty nice. What's this color called?
Nagaro Blue.
Nagaro Blue. Apparently it's pretty rare on a V6, which my brother says. I think he picked this up for 4,700 bucks. The Alcantara on the driver's seat is not the best, but overall it's really not bad. It's pretty clean. The back of it is pretty nice. Yeah, I love that. Sunshades. It's got like every option. Pretty nice car. I'm waiting for when he gets bored of it and he's gonna want to sell it. That's when I'm gonna swoop in and take it, right, Cody?
That's what you said about the truck too. It's still in my possession.
Well, yeah. Well, once you get bored of that too, I'll buy that.
Okay.
A lot of things have happened in the course of the last video. So I even got this car over here. We got this one for 300 bucks. Wait until you see it. So here we got this 2009 Subaru Forester X premium, I think. This baby has got 262,000 miles on it. So the battery's dead. I can't start it right now. But owner said the engine knocks. The weird thing is, I started it up when I got it. Knocked for 5 seconds, completely went away. Like it had a hard rod knock. And I started it up, let it build oil pressure, it just went away. And it's got a 5-speed. That is weird. I mean, to knock like that and then just go away completely, I drove it around a bit and it's gone. So that's kind of weird to me. But this is gonna be another good flip car here. We're gonna it's got a coolant leak though. It could still need head gaskets, so we're probably gonna end up pulling the motor anyway, timing belt and whatnot, or we'll just get another motor for it since it's got 260,000 on it, and we'll put head gaskets on the new motor and stuff. But yeah, this will be another one. You know, buy this one, fix it up, and sell it for $3 grand. That'll be a good little car for someone. It's got brand new tires on it, brand new Nexen and Enprise, I guess is how you pronounce it. And it's also got brand new brakes and calipers all the way around. So that's a pretty good find. My babies are sitting down here. The Vigan is really dirty right here. I gotta wash this thing. It is really dirty. Carlisle went there in last month. That was really fun. I actually Mike D stage 1 tuned this thing. If you guys know who Mike D is, some of you Saab guys, did an amazing job and it runs phenomenal. But yeah, we have a lot of crap going on here today. Here's stepdad's 2008 Porsche Cayman S. So the battery went completely bad on this, and if some of you guys are Porsche guys, you know how stupid the engineering is behind this. So if the battery goes bad, it's got an electric frunk. So the battery's in the front trunk, and if the battery goes dead, they have this thing, I don't know if you can see it, there's this little tab that pulls out of the fuse box here that you're supposed to supply 12-volt power to. But the problem is, you hook a jump pack up to it, it doesn't supply enough voltage through that to open the frunk. So you're kind of screwed, and you have to take the front wheel off and get the fender liner back, and the cables are an absolute nightmare because you pull on them and they still don't open it. I've had a couple Porsches I've had to do that too, and it is just a nightmare. And you end up having, somehow I was able to relocate it to over here, the cable. This was a couple of years ago on a Boxster, but it's pretty much the same thing. I had the cable over here, and you were able to just pull on it through here to get it opened. But yeah, sometimes the Germans always don't engineer things the greatest. But yeah, we're going to set the Mustang up on ramps, or I'm going to jack it up, and then we're going to get the oil changes on it, and then we'll see what Jenna's doing on the Traverse afterwards. All right, she's up on ramps. Time to get that drain bolt off and let's get the oil out. Oh my god, I hate the Ford drain plugs. I think I might have a new one. They just like strip out the threads on the drain plug. It's super hard to get them off. Oh, there we go. Let's see what I can do without getting any oil on my hands. Hey, there we go. Not too bad. Alright, she's all drained and new filters on. I just got to decide with what flavor I'm going to go with. So, I don't know if you all know this, but go to Walmart. They have a really good deal on oil. They have the SuperTech stuff for like, what was it, $30-something for 12 quarts. And Mobile One for $55. I think we're going to put SuperTech in this today. It's probably honestly better than Mobile One oil. But yeah, put 6 quarts of that in, and then we'll go start it up. Alright, she's all full of that SuperTech liquid gold now. So let's see what Jen's up to.
Look at all those dirty Q-tips.
Ew. Yeah, look at this shit. This is like really nasty. Oh man, look at that. Down there is a lot cleaner.
I only vacuumed it and I'm like, get to that part yet.
Wow. Nice job, Jenna. Yeah, it's still gross back here, but Jay's taking some pictures of Buck. Come here, Buck. So you guys have seen my poor little guy Buck in all the videos, unfortunately. So he's only 6 years old, but now he's only got probably a month or so to live. he's got a tumor on his heart. Come here, Buck. It's bleeding, and his heart's filling up with fluid. So unless you keep getting it drained, which is $1,000 each time, then even then, his tumor's just gonna grow and kill him. So trying everything we can to help him out, but you know, his time is sadly numbered. Poor little guy, he will be missed very deeply. Yeah, anyway, off the sad note, this thing's coming out a lot better than I thought, so let's get back to it. Alright, now I'm doing these freaking hubcaps. Look how gross those are. I got some nice brand new ones here. I'll get them out of the box. Yeah. That looks a lot better. Just using a good old 22 socket. I hate how they make these 22s. Should be a 19, so I could just zip them off with my 3/8 gun. Let's get this one off. Oh, it's still on. Yet. Alright, look at that. Nice and clean and shiny and new. Get those suckers on. Alright, look at that. That looks a million times better. Sweet. Alright guys, so not a whole lot of progress made, but we got some done. Jenna got a lot of the nitty-gritty stuff done that she's still working on. She's not having a fun time with that center console there because it's pretty gross. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for today, guys. Next video, I'm probably gonna do the outside. I'm gonna buff it and wax it and all that. That's gonna be a full day. Because it really needs it. You can see how bad the paint is. It's pretty gross. This is gonna be a full day. I'm gonna eventually throw a set of tires on it because they are crap, and then I got to inspect it, and then hopefully we'll get this thing going and yeah, move on to the next used car. I'll show you the Subaru all the way down yonder. There's my brother working on his Audi, and yeah, we're just gonna keep selling them on the next one. Start flipping and make some money, and yeah, thank you all for watching. Really appreciate the support I've been getting. Gonna try and make some more videos for you all, and yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.